Hey, it's Mr. Allred, and we're still solving inequalities, and the one we have here on the left hand side is 2/5 times the quantity of x minus 4, and that's all less than x plus 7. So if we think about our rules for solving equations, the first thing we see here is a fraction. You may prefer to get rid of the parentheses first, and that's fine, but we see a denominator of 5. So let's just go ahead and multiply everything by 5 to get rid of that. So on the left hand side, that would be 5 times 2/5 times x minus 4. And then on the right hand side, that would be 5 times the quantity of x plus 7. So on the left hand side, the 5 and the 5th cancel out, so we're just left with distributing on both sides. So after we distribute, the left hand side will have 2x minus 8, and the right hand side will have less than 5x plus 35. So then if we keep moving, our next goal for solving equations would be to get all our x's on one side, so I can subtract 5x from both sides. And I can add 8 to both sides to get my non-x's on the other side. Things cancel out. And when I clean up, I have negative 3x less than 43. And I want to get the x completely by itself, so I'll divide both sides by negative 3. In this case, I like to highlight that I divided by a negative, which will flip my inequality around when I get to it. So I'll have x on the left, I'll have negative 43/3 on the right, and that will be a greater than. So x is greater than negative 43/3. So let's make our number line 0. Negative 43/3 is definitely to the left of that. So we've got x is greater than, so we want everything to the right of negative 43/3. And since it's just greater than, it'll be a parentheses. And then when we turn it into interval notation, it'll be a parentheses, negative 43/3. And then for the right side arrow here, it'll be positive infinity, parentheses.